It's raining, it's pouring. I mean, first of all, sort of the same thing, but we'll allow it. The old man is snoring. Do we mean the colloquial term for your dad or the weirder term for your husband? We don't know. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. So now we're dealing with serious head trauma that's led to lack of consciousness. And rather than deal with that, we don't know what time period this is, but there has to be some sort of medical healthcare response. We're going to write a little poem about it, about the fact that he's probably dead and he's probably died of internal bleeding or external bleeding because he's just bumped his head and his wife/daughter has just watched him bleed out while she writes this nursery rhyme. And then we're going to teach that to a 2-year-old. You people make me sick. Also, couldn't find the story, so that's acting.